गाइस, आज हम बना रहे हैं प्लेडो। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ किस तरह से हम घर पे ही बच्चों के लिए प्लेडो बना सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम इसके लिए मैदा लेंगे, वाइट फ्लोर एंड थोड़ा वाटर, देन ऑयल एंड देन हल्दी। बिकॉज मेरे पास फ्रूट कलर्स नहीं थे तो आई थॉट टू सब्स्टिट्यूट इट विद सम बेटर कलर. So what are the steps that we will do? In put this. Put in this. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, you can eat it. Put. Yes. So सबसे पहले हम डालेंगे इसमें मैदा. Then, oh, is it tasty? We will put some turmeric. Put some water. Can you mix it? Mix. Ivan, mix. तो हम दोनों मिलके बना रहे हैं प्लेडो इवान के लिए. बेटा अभी नहीं खाना है, we have to eat it later. Okay? So this is how we are making our play-doh. Ivan, you're not supposed to eat it like that. Okay? This is something we will play later. Yes. So this is a kind of sensory activity for kids. So this is how Ivan and Mama is going to make Play-Doh. Ivan, babu, that's not something to eat. You take this one. So just आप लोगों को ऑयल डालते रहना पड़ेगा till it become more sticky. Ivan, can you do this one, babu? Don't eat. So as you can see, Ivan is more interested in eating, so that's why it's better to use kitchen products because if we have food colors also तो भी ठीक है. बट अगर जैसे मैंने बहुत मार्केट में ढूंढा था, मुझे फूड कलर नहीं मिले थे, सो आई थॉट लेट मी रिप्लेस फूड कलर्स विद टर्मरिक. सो इवान, डोंट ईट बेबू. It's almost done. Now I can show you guys how Ivan and Mama made the Play-Doh. So our Play-Doh is almost ready. So I think, but Ivan is more interested to play. To eat rather than playing, but he does play with the Play-Doh. Maybe after some time he will discover how to play with Play-Doh. But अगर आपके babies Play-Doh के साथ खेलते हैं, तो instead of buying Play-Doh from the market that is too expensive, आप घर पे ही Play-Doh बना सकते हैं. ये जैसे ये इतना सारा Play-Doh है तो इवान इतने सारे Play-Doh के साथ खेलेगा नहीं, तो इसमें से 3/4 मैं फ्रिज में रखूंगी so that I can use it later and थोड़ा सा इसको खेलने के लिए दूंगी. But since he is more interested to eat rather than playing with it. So this way our Play-Doh is ready.